Tropical Storm Debby update number 4 from Marco Island, Florida. Now the winds are starting to really pick up as this system will move in here throughout the day today. It's actually coming through our windows here. This is update number 4, just before 8 a.m. here Sunday morning, under a tornado warning here on Marco Island. I did think that this was the potential for today. This is also why you don't poo-poo tropical storms or hurricanes. Just ended the live stream, and this is what it looks like here at noon. Still for update number 4. There's people down on the beach surfing and finding good shows. Our car is locked at Residence Beach, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging for me to get there today. Stay tuned. This is also the lookout or the backside here at noon. We just left a peaceful live for about 2.5 hours and didn't get much of this. And here she goes again. Debby.